Item 40 traffic.
Item 40.
What are you doing?
I was just going to Wendy's.
Probation, parole?
No.
Okay. When you race somebody, that's reckless driving. It's a misdemeanor. Stay in the vehicle. I'll be right back with you. Go and hop out.
For you, clear Melvin.
Any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Can I have a check real quick?
Yeah, of course.
So you can stop your head? Are those the keys to the car? Let me see them. Hey, from lemon 85, please. All right, have a seat on my bumper. Anything illegal in the car?
No, sir. You can check.
You want to do an inventory real quick? Thank you. Can't be driving like that. We get too many people killed on our streets, and I'm not gonna allow you to drive like that and get away with it. Okay? If there were two of us, I would have got the other guy too, because you guys were both racing each other. All right? So, like I said, you're gonna lose your car tonight, and we will go from there. And hopefully you learn a lesson. Are you the registered owner? Huh?
It's under my dad's name.
He's not going to be happy, huh?
I think he'll be fine. It's not bad.
It's a 30-day impound.
Do you know where they take it?
I will. I don't know right now. But you have to get a release from us, and it's a 30-day hold. So you'll have to pay for 30 days of it being in storage.
Do you know how much that is?
It'd probably be, I would guess, over $1,000. All right. So I'm going to give you a citation for misdemeanor speed contest. It's like I said, it's a misdemeanor. So instead of you going to jail, you have to go to the police department to get photographed and fingerprinted prior to your court date, which is listed on the citation, okay? Bring your citation with you. When you do that, that way they can look up the case number and put it all together, okay? I'm sorry?
Bring the citation
To the Modesto Police Department.
When would that be?
Just any time prior to your court date, okay? So that's in lieu of me arresting you. When we take you to jail, they take your photograph and your fingerprint there. Instead of doing that, I'm giving you this. You have to take care of that at the police department before court, okay?
Anytime before court?
Yep. All right, there's your citation. Court date is listed right here. I need you to sign inside the red box. Use your finger. It's not an admission of guilt, just a promise you'll take care of the citation, okay? You grabbed everything you needed out of there?
Yeah.
Okay. He'll give you a half copy of your slip if you want to give him a couple minutes, and then you're free to leave.